on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, we are going to be making homemade tomato soup. So here we go. You won't believe how delicious this is. Okay, so I've got the pan heating up. I'm going to probably put, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I've got 4 small cloves of garlic. And I've got a large onion that I'm going to be putting in there. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of oregano. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this browned up a little bit. Because whenever you brown onions and garlic, it brings out the flavor, almost to a caramelization. And when it gets to that point, I'll get back to you. Got this onion and garlic about where I want it. And I'm going to add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And about half a cup of butter. And I am going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, I've been letting this cook for about 30 minutes. And it's still a little chunkier than what I want. So I'm going to take a potato masher in. Because I don't want any big chunks of tomatoes. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to add, this is a very rich soup. I'm going to put in a half of a container of cream cheese. Get that incorporated in there. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. I love pepper. Get all that in there. Now this is not a low-calorie soup. This is a special treat soup. Okay. And then, believe it or not, you add a big can of Campbell's tomato soup. Be careful you don't cut yourself with the lid. I've done that. Oh my gosh, have I done that. Okay, and then I'm going to stir that in. I'm a messy cook. Turn that up just a little bit. This soup is so yummy. We used to go to a bar in Brooklyn, Michigan and get this soup. And I'm telling you what, it was so yummy. Get that going. And then I'm going to add probably a half of a container of half and half. Like I said, this is a very rich soup, but it's just a special treat soup. Is so good. Remember as kids we had tomato soup with grilled cheese sandwiches. Oh my gosh. So yummy. That was I think a 1950s staple. And you just want to get this not quite boiling because you don't want to curdle your milk. Okay, once this gets heated through, I'll get back with you. I've got the soup not quite to boiling, but heated through. And now I'm going to dish this up. This wonderful, wonderful soup. Oh my gosh. This is, like I said, this is a special treat soup. This isn't something you want to make every day. But it is what we used to get at the restaurant. And I'm telling you, oh my gosh, so delicious. Okay. Then what you do is put some cracked pepper on it. And then I've got some of these garlic and butter croutons. I'm going to put some of those on it. And then you put fresh grated Parmesan cheese on it. And look at this beautiful, beautiful tomato soup. It is so good. And I'm so sorry. I gotta get that adjusted. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my homemade tomato soup. Remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And I've got a dog barking. And love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.